How to log into Facebook on Google Chrome. This tutorial shows you how to sign in through the browser on Android. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. From there, tap the address bar at the top and type facebook.com. Then tap Go at the top. After that, the Facebook website will load up. Tap on Login if you aren't taken there automatically. At this point, enter your email address or phone number in the first field. From there, tap on the password field and enter your password. Following this, tap the Login button to sign into your account. Once done, Facebook will load your home feed and you'll be fully logged in through the browser. From here, if you want easier access next time, tap the three dots at the top right corner of Chrome and select Add to Home Screen. This way you can open Facebook directly from your home screen without having to type the address every time. Finally, if Chrome prompts you to save your password, go ahead and tap Save so you don't have to enter it again on your next visit. That's how you log into Facebook through Google Chrome on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.